As I have mentioned before, probiotics is one of the most important foods we need to include in our daily beauty diet. So today I will show you how to ferment beetroot. So this is our ingredients, and we will use beetroot, carrots, Chinese cabbage, some ginger and garlic. We also can use any other vegetables, but because I have a lot of fennel, I will add fennel in this recipe. And let's not forget salt and cayenne. Let's start with Chinese cabbage. The cabbage, I cut this part and slice it up. Let's put in a bowl and continue. Let's use another cabbage just to give some more value. We save these leaves for later. One more. And for vegetables, we will use the food processor. Let's start. It's full, let's put it in a bowl. And let's continue with other vegetables. And fennel. And I will continue with massaging the Chinese cabbage. I will use salt. And just start massage it. Okay, now we can, when we have this juice, we can add our vegetables. More salt and continue massaging. Let's add more vegetables. So we are almost done. I just would like to add some ginger and garlic. And I will use small blender to chop it up. Ginger and garlic. A little bit salt. And cayenne pepper. That's it. We add it to our vegetables. And again, I will add a little bit salt for last massage and a little bit more cayenne pepper because I want to give it some spiciness. Okay, let's give it a last massage. And as you see, it's getting really juicy. Smells delicious. So we are done with our massage. Our vegetables are ready to be fermented. So let's put it in a jar. A little bit push it down. Like this. Okay, so make sure that juice covers the vegetables. And now last step, we just use leaves that we left at the beginning and cover our vegetables. So we will use a cheesecloth. Okay, that's it. So our beetroot is ready for fermentation. Leave it for 3-4 days at room temperature. After that you can use it in your recipes and keep in the refrigerator. So that was our final recipe for today. See you soon.